Find a quiet and comfortable place where you can sit or lie down undisturbed. Close your eyes gently. Allow your body to relax. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment and exhale slowly through your mouth. With each breath, feel your body becoming lighter, more at ease, more present in this moment. Let go of any tension you may be holding in your shoulders, in your neck, in your jaw. Let everything soften. Let everything relax. Now, bring your awareness to your breath. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest, the cool air as it enters your nostrils, the warmth as it leaves your body. Your breath is always here, always supporting you, always guiding you. Take another slow, deep breath in, filling your lungs completely, and exhale fully, letting go of any stress, any worries, any distractions. Now, allow your breath to settle into its natural rhythm. There is no need to control it. Simply observe. Feel the way it flows effortlessly, the way it nourishes you, the way it connects you to life itself. With each inhale, feel yourself drawing in fresh energy, renewal, peace. With each exhale, release anything that no longer serves you. Let go of tension. Let go of resistance. Let go of thoughts that pull you away from this moment. If your mind begins to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath. There is no need for judgment, no need for frustration. Simply return again and again to the steady rhythm of your breath. Notice how your breath supports you in every moment, how it has been with you since the very beginning, always present, always carrying you forward. Now take a moment to deepen your connection to your breath. Feel it as a wave, flowing in, flowing out, continuous, endless, effortless. With each inhale, you breathe in calmness. With each exhale, you release all tension. With each inhale, you draw in clarity. With each exhale, you let go of distractions. With each inhale, you welcome peace. With each exhale, you surrender completely. Allow yourself to rest in this awareness, in this stillness, in this deep connection with your breath. Now, slowly bring your awareness back to your body. Feel the surface beneath you, the air on your skin, the quiet stillness surrounding you. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Roll your shoulders. Take one final deep breath in and exhale fully. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this awareness with you. Let your breath be your anchor, your guide, your constant source of peace. You are here. You are present. You are at peace.